Homemade Science with Miss Jana. Hope you're doing great. Today I am teaching you how to make a lava in a cup. So what you'll need is a cup of water, food coloring, vegetable oil, and some salt. And I've already filled up a cup of water for you, and it's about 3/4 of a cup. And then we're going to use food coloring.
Does it matter what color?
No. Whatever color lava you would like, you can.
2, 3, 4. We like the color blue around here.
We do.
Hey, that's one of our MBCS colors.
Exactly.
So do we mix it or we just let it sit?
We're gonna let it sit.
Okay.
So then we're going to go and fill up a cup of 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. If you don't have vegetable oil at home, you can use any oil you want. And then I'm going to slowly pour it in. As you can see, it's starting to make bubbles.
Now, why does that happen, Miss Jana? Why does the oil sit on the water like that?
Because it is lighter than the water.
Like it weighs less?
Yes.
Oh.
So as you can see, it's starting to settle on top.
See how it's separated?
And what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle some salt.
Sprinkling salt.
And as you see, it's starting to like go down to the bottom because salt is heavier than oil. Did you know that?
I didn't.
And as you can see,
oh, that's cool. It looks like a lava lamp.
right?
So you want to keep sprinkling?
You can just to see the reaction.
Or you can just let it go with whatever.
Just let it go.
Can you guys see? You can see the little bubbles down at the bottom of the salt.
Should I lift it up a little bit so they can see the bottom?
No, because I could see the bottom
Oh, perfect.
before.
You want?
That looks cool. I like how it's all wavy and then all of the little bubbles down in the bottom. That's so cool.
Why don't we try it and just a little bit more salt? What do you think?
Go for
Pastor
it.
Jen? Shake.
Why don't we try putting it all around, like in a circle
Ooh.
maybe?
Oh, there we go.
Because I think if you just put it in one spot, I don't think it's gonna. This actually took more salt than I thought it would. But I think that it's having a reaction here, which is pretty awesome.
Right?
I love lava lamps. That's
I
so
know.
cool. That's awesome.
And also, we just use regular table salt. If your parents have rock salt or any kind of salt, try that and let me know how it works. And again, thanks for coming to Home Science with Miss Jana. Thanks. Have a great day.